Here we are back for our first cruise of the season. Me and Glenn are going to try out this new exhaust system, see how it sounds on this new C8 Stingray here.
Give it any throttle, this thing will really wake it up. The exhaust sounds beautiful in this car. I think Lemans did a nice job on it. A lot more burble in it.
Yeah.
A lot more volume when I'm downshifting.
Oh, that sounds great. Burble there.
Yeah, I manually shift my car all the time as well. I don't use the automatic function in it. I'm running around 2,500 RPM. Now you can hear more of the exhaust. Of course, if I let it come down on the RPM, it will quieten it down. It's got a nicer sound to the downshifts than the stock exhaust does. It's got more of an exotic tone to it, I think.
It does, yeah.
Than what the factory had in it.
Car shifts smoother than mine.
Actually, yeah, they got a recall on these apparently for the software. I'll look mine up, I gotta take it in. It's just a software thing.
Yeah, I noticed this morning there was a recall out for mine too. So it must be the same thing.
But again, I manual shift my car. I don't know how much you do, so I can kind of control it more. And if you find with the manual shifting, if you don't pay attention, the computer will correct it anyway. It's not gonna let you over rev the car. But I'm impressed with this exhaust. I like it much better than the factory. It's not obnoxious. It's got a nice
tone to it.
Yeah, really nice tone to it. So one of these tracks again. I know a couple of your YouTube buddies there were commenting about my exhaust. You can let them know that the exhaust itself is made out of fiberglass, the valance. It will not burn on the exhaust tips. That was some of the concerns that some guys were talking to you about.
Right.
As long as you have a 1/4 inch air gap when you properly set it up, it won't do that.
1/4 inch gap.
Yeah, you have to have a 1/4 inch air gap between the tip and the exhaust valance itself. And as long as that 1/4 inch air gap there, you'll never have a heat issue back at the back end. Some guys are saying maybe the tips would melt it. They won't. And it's also heat treated with heat paint as well. And the tips are fully adjustable too. Some guys are commenting about my tips. I choose to have them tilted up, but you can have them tilted down, or you can have them right dead in the middle if you want. So they're fully adjustable as well. I don't know whether we talked about that before or not.
You see, you picked up a stranger. How are you today?
What's up? I saw him going across. I said, all I can tell you is this thing is wicked hard on gas.
Is it?
Wicked hard.
Yeah, they say they are bad at gas.
Whoa.
But that goes with the engine.
Have you guys met?
No.
This is Glenn. This
Hi.
is John.
How are you,
This
man?
is his
My
wife
wife, Heather.
Heather.
Yeah, we met.
we're doing the test route for on May 6th.
We met a while ago down in the States.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Correct.
I had a C7 back then. Yeah.
We're looking for the Royal Canadian Air Force Museum.
Right there.
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for.
You found her.
Never had-
That's looking good, nice and bright and sharp. Yeah, it is quiet.
What we like for now.
Listen to it. Listen how quiet that is. That's on quiet mode.
Great seeing you.
Okay, John, you take care. Nice seeing you again, Heather, and have a great day. We'll get together soon. Bye now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe for new Corvette videos every week. And please let me know what you think of the look and sound of the Lemans Edition exhaust. I'm going to be doing a video of a side-by-side comparison between the stock exhaust and the Lemans Edition exhaust. See you next time on the Great White North Corvette.